Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the ANZ Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.anz.com.au and hit enter. Once the home page of the ANZ Bank opens up on your screen, on the right side of your screen, you'll see a register button just below the login button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the register button, you'll be directed to another page where you will have to fill in your credentials. You will have to fill in your customer registration number here and your telecode here, and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be forwarded to another page which will further guide you to register to the ANZ Bank. I hope this video helped you to register into the ANZ Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.